Push E Fashion fan of the moment. With me now, good enough, your dress today. Very, very unusual for a man.
That's why you must you buy your. That's why you must you like it for the pirates. I'm very tired for the always these people's. You seem like a people's. You must show me what is happening for the pirates. Pirates is not one skipper. For the must show you for the five skippers. Must always
To the shop to buy these clothing or this clothing. What do they say?
You must say, you must show for the something for the Zulu else. Zulu else is Sutu or what. We must somebody. Now that's why you must buy for the all these stores. It's trousers. You must know. You must not to the 2 days. You must nothing. You must washing for the face. It's not you must.
The supporters picked the team, and he's looking forward to producing the goods on Saturday against Kaizer Chiefs. And Dilly, your view of this concept of the Black Label Carling Cup?
No, my view, I don't have a view. The view is everything the supporters did. So us, our thing that we must do is then to play Saturday. That's the only thing that we prepare.
It was tough.
I'm so very excited. First of all, I want to thank God to give us the power to win this game. It means a lot to me. It's my first time to carrying the trophy for the Orlando Pirates in the MTN 8. But I'm happy even the supporters, the coming numbers to support us to give us the moral. And then I am so excited. I don't know what I say. I don't know my wife why to behave there at my interview. Ishan is not here with me. I don't know what can I say, but I'm happy the performance of my teammates, and then the coach took the staff, and then he told us we must come there and enjoy our game, and then do that to what opponent what they say to us, but let's go there and show them what we are capable to do it.
Mfana kithi. Awuqali ukuyiwina le ndebe.
As excited because it's my second time now to carrying this trophy. To me, it means a lot.
Great. Yeah. You know what offends me, Uchi? You never looked at me for like once.
No, it's not about you. He looked at Gareth all the time.
The whole time.
The whole time.
Like,
It's not always going to be about you, son. He looked at Gareth the entire time.
Why?
No, I'm more attractive than you.
Yeah?
It's your culture.
It's your culture to look at Gareth.
It's your culture. And then the second song.
Yeah.
Is pray, because this nowadays don't forget God.
The God, and that is giving. The song says God has given us a minute
there. Everybody
and seconds to live. Yes.
Let's vote.
We're gonna vote for you, but we're not gonna speak. You must say what you think he's gonna say.
Say.
Yeah, what is he gonna say? Yes or no?
Yes.
Her?
Yes.
Me?
Even you. Yes.
Him?
You. Yes.
Love your ambition. Great. It's the opposite. All of us.
Yeah, all of us is yes, because the God is there.
Amen. The church is out. Thank you, Papa.
Shabati. Huh?
Golden tickets? Yeah.
But I feel good.
Okay, good. As long as you feel good, then we've done good. Ne?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to say to the judges?
Yes. They say yes.
You want to say yes to the judges?
Yeah, all of them, yes.
And then what?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Love me for who I am. Years before I became who I am, baby, you were my man. And knowing he say you don't love for me, but I appreciate your love and dedication from you to me. Hey, don't this in there. It's a matter of heaven, it's just how. The matter be in your love, and I see my future in your own. Then I thought my life for you. Sometimes make me wanna cry. I realize all my best when I'm grateful to have you by my side. I'm in love with you.
Place flood out. Everything
no,
in the...
Hold on. Tell me, you were in... What happened? You were asleep?
Yes, Rosie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, through the bathroom, through every door, kitchen door, every door. Everything in the house flood out. When me talk about everything, everything. No bed, no there for sleep on. Settee, where you could have rest in a phone, where you could have make phone call and video for sure. Everything flood out. I want back every single piece
so
of
what happened? You were sleeping and...
We were sleeping.
Yeah, and?
We were sleeping,
yeah.
Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. I want back everything. Cause from Olivia, a Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just born out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and we never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. A 5 phone flood, I want back everybody. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. Everybody flood out and want back everything. So, baby can't catch meningitis. And shit water and gully water. The baby from my baby, my nephew baby will come up. She flood out too with her baby, nice, pretty, clean skin baby them. Flood out, not a pimples, mosquito bite, nothing. Right now, you know what can happen to them? Them need to go to hospital. And we need all type of something to clean out the germs. And the fly them starting at the house now, to come look again. And it can't go on, so. We have to do better.
Hold on. What caused it? What caused it?
What caused it? The workman them caused everything. With all them cut the bridge, and none of them not coming at the yard for come look or go on. If them you just fix back right there, sir, the house on the flood out. Is the bridge cause everything? Is this big contract what going on at Sunlight Street 21.5 Sunlight Street Kingston 13? Cause every single soul things what happened in my yard. Last night to this morning at 3:30, flooding. The baby them could have been drowned in. We need justice, real justice we need. Justice we need. One back of furniture. And on a 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser. And a 30 grand fridge and a 30 grand rat nut. And a 30 grand and a 10 grand night table, touch lamp. Everybody, flat scream in there, mash up. Flood out the shit water and gully water. Nobody not come for look. Uncle the cameraman, it can't work so. We need justice! Justice! We need justice! We need justice over the yard there and the other yard. We need it. Can't you see the condition we're in? And the germs and the nasty. Right now on the left foot, a fly start at the place. 2 baby there, they don't look good. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. For the work here, we start. We need him. We want back everybody. Everybody. We want disinfectant, GS, Dettol, soap powder, all type of things to clean out the house. The baby them get meningitis. Them are sick and dead. We want justice. We need justice.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out right here, man. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Get in Igbo. Get out here for real. You know what I'm saying? Get out here for real. You know what I'm saying?
The legal representatives of the land owners considered a settlement amount of 939,360,000, close to R1 billion for the purchase of the land.